Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to delete or remove your status from WhatsApp account. So you can see my status. I share the story picture on WhatsApp 2 minutes ago, but after posting your status, if you think that you want to remove that story from your account, then you can easily do this thing. So you can see this is my story. If I click here and again click, you can see this is the story I shared. So what you need to do, you need to click here three dot. Once you click three dot, then the option here delete and delete one status update. So simply click again delete option. So now it's delete. So this way you can delete your story from WhatsApp. So friend, today is no more, and see you next video.